Let's crack some backs. We've got Jenny, and she's here with her sister, Amber. So let's get rid of some tension, girls. Pop up. Relax. Oh, no. Wow. Good girl. Yeah, that's it. Oh, that was bad, girl. Amber's getting jealous over there, huh? Don't worry, baby. You're up next. Oh, wow. You're just as tight as your sister. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, oh yeah, nice and healthy. Yeah. Oh. Another happy client. I'm a doctor.
Rilascia, un bel respiro, fuori l'aria.
Oh my God. That's good. It was so tight. Holy shit.
Damn, boy.
I knew.
I put an audio of me cracking my bones to a Kit Kat commercial.
They say moms can find anything. Well, where the hell is dad at? Huh? Where is he, Mom? He's been missing!